Hello everyone, welcome back to our English Story Podcast, episode 22. Have you ever been shopping and wanted to ask someone what they think about a product, but didn't know how to say it in English? In this episode, we're going to learn how to ask for opinions and advice while shopping, so you can make better choices and sound natural. Let me tell you a story. Last month, I was in a department store in London, looking for a new jacket. There were so many options. Leather, wool, different colors. I wasn't sure which one to buy. I turned to my friend and asked, "What do you think of this one?" She smiled and said, "I think the leather jacket looks really stylish, but the wool one is warmer." Then I went to another store and saw two pairs of shoes I liked. I wanted advice from the shop assistant, so I asked, "Which one would you recommend?" The assistant replied, "If you want comfort, I'd go with this. They're very durable." Later, I found a watch I liked, but I wasn't sure about the price. I asked another friend, "Do you think it's worth the price?" He said, "It's a bit expensive, but it's high quality and should last a long time." By the end of the day, I realized that asking for opinions and advice in English is about being polite, clear, and using different expressions, depending on who you ask. Now, let's learn the expressions for asking for opinions and advice. Number 1, asking for opinions. What do you think of? How do you like? Do you like? What's your opinion about? Example: What do you think of this jacket? How do you like these shoes? Number 2, asking for advice. Which one would you recommend? Which one should I buy? Do you think I should? Would you suggest? Example: Which one would you recommend, the leather or wool jacket? Do you think I should buy this watch? Number 3, expressing your own opinion politely. I think, in my opinion, I prefer. Example: I think the leather jacket looks more stylish. In my opinion, the wool one is warmer. Number 4, responding politely to advice. Thanks, that's helpful. I see, that makes sense. Good idea, I'll do that. Example: Thanks, I'll try the leather one. Good idea, I'll buy the wool one for winter. Tip: combine asking plus explaining plus responding. What do you think of this bag? I like it, but it's a bit expensive. I think it's worth it. It's high quality. Thanks, that's helpful. When asking for opinions and advice, these grammar patterns are useful. Number 1, present simple. For general opinions or facts. I think this jacket is stylish. Do you like these shoes? Number 2, modal verbs for advice. Should. Which one should I buy? Would. Which one would you recommend? Could. Could you suggest something warmer? Number 3, polite questions. Do you think? Would you suggest? Which one would you recommend? Example: Do you think I should buy this jacket? Which one would you recommend for winter? Combining this makes your questions polite, natural, and easy to respond to. So, You can confidently ask for opinions and advice while shopping in English. Understand responses and make better decisions. Mini challenge. Imagine you're shopping and ask a friend or a shop assistant. What do you think of this? Which one would you recommend? Do you think I should? Respond politely. Thanks, that's helpful. Good idea, I'll do that. Practicing these sentences aloud will help you feel confident in real shopping situations. Thanks for listening to today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical English lessons. See you next time.